In this video, I'm taking a closer look at the Fallinu Mini Jeep, a product that has been gaining attention online. According to the website, this mini Jeep comes with a 9 HP 4-stroke single-cylinder 125cc engine and features an electronic key ignition system. It's designed to hold 2 adult riders with a combined weight of up to 300 pounds and can reach a max speed of 28 miles per hour. The padded, water-resistant seats come with seat belts for safety, and it also includes LED headlights, taillights, and turn signals. One of the key selling points is that it ships fully assembled, requiring no extra setup, which can be a big convenience. The website presents it as the perfect gift for yourself, family, or friends, but with any online purchase, it's important to be cautious. While the specs and features sound promising, the main concern is whether it lives up to these claims in real-world use. Some buyers have raised questions about the overall quality, durability, and whether the product they received matches the advertised details. There are mixed opinions, and as with any online purchase, it's always good to research thoroughly before making a decision. If you've had any experience with the Fallinu Mini Jeep, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.